Unreal Engine 5 versus D5 Render. Choosing the right rendering software can completely change how you create stunning visuals without compromising speed or quality. Both offer powerful features but serve different needs for artists and designers. Unreal Engine 5 and D5 Render are leading rendering tools with distinct focuses. Unreal Engine 5 excels as a real-time game engine with advanced graphics, while D5 Render specializes in fast, high-quality architectural visualization. The core difference lies in their primary applications and workflow. Unreal Engine 5 is a comprehensive real-time 3D creation platform developed by Epic Games, widely used for game development, film production, and interactive experiences. It works by leveraging its advanced nanite virtualized geometry system and Lumen global illumination to produce highly detailed, realistic environments in real time. Its strengths include unparalleled graphical fidelity, extensive asset libraries, and powerful scripting with blueprints and C++. However, its complexity can present a steep learning curve requiring significant hardware resources and technical knowledge. Unreal Engine 5 is ideal for users who need cutting-edge visuals combined with interactivity, such as game developers, filmmakers, and simulation creators seeking full control over their projects and real-time performance. D5 Render is a dedicated rendering software designed for architectural visualization, focusing on simplicity and speed without sacrificing image quality. It uses real-time ray tracing to deliver photorealistic lighting and shadows with minimal setup, making it accessible for designers and architects. Its strengths include an intuitive interface, fast rendering times, and seamless integration with popular 3D modeling tools. The software is optimized for quick iterations and presentations, but it lacks the extensive interactivity and customization features found in game engines like Unreal Engine 5. D5 Render is best suited for architects, interior designers, and visualization artists that want to produce high-quality renders quickly and efficiently without needing deep technical expertise. Unreal Engine 5 and D5 Render cater to different professional needs. Unreal Engine 5 offers unmatched real-time interactivity and ultra-realistic graphics, perfect for projects requiring dynamic environments or game-like experiences. However, it demands more time to master and higher system requirements. D5 Render prioritizes ease of use and speed, enabling fast, photorealistic architectural renders with minimal setup. While it lacks the interactive depth of Unreal, it excels in rapid visualization workflows. If your focus is immersive, interactive content or large-scale virtual worlds, Unreal Engine 5 is the better choice. For straightforward, high-quality architectural presentations delivered quickly, D5 Render provides a more streamlined solution. Choose Unreal Engine 5 if you require advanced real-time graphics and interactivity, especially for games, films, or complex simulations demanding high customization. Opt for D5 Render if you need fast, photorealistic architectural visualization with an easy-to-use interface and quick turnaround. Both tools excel in their domains, so your choice depends on whether interactivity or speed and simplicity matter most for your